Yes, that's me. You might be wondering how I ended up there. Well, I've got a few more clips for you to watch. Watch them and I'll explain everything in detail. I went on my very first solo ride or something of a sort with one goal in mind to film myself riding my bike. On June 26, 2026, it was my birthday, and I had told home that I do not want anything special, not even a cake. And so at 12 a.m., my dad and everyone else wished me. My dad gave me a Kit Kat. Yeah. Along with the Kit Kat, he gave me a very small key. Yep, it was a key to my Bajaj Pulsar 180. He gifted it to me. Since then, I've wanted to film myself riding my bike and go out somewhere far. And that finally happened today. And these are the things that happened today. Okay, so let's pack my bag for my very first road trip. Yeah, I only have this one gear, that is, yeah, my tripod and a water bottle. Okay, so I'm out for my very first solo bike ride. I have no idea why I'm doing this. This is the very first time I'm leaving my house. Really no reason to leave. But yeah, I want to get some cool bike shots. So yeah, my Pulsar is ready, washed up and all clean. Man, it looks so good. Anyways, I have a very peculiar way to set up my camera because I don't have any other camera gear. This is the only thing that I have with which I'm going to film myself. I hope you guys can hear me properly because I have a mic set in here and I hope it's audible. So I'm at BTM and we're going towards Banargata, and yeah, this is the very first time filming and writing at the same time, and it feels kind of weird. Yeah, thank you. So people honking everywhere. I don't know how much of those honks are being captured by my mic. I'm pretty sure most of the background noise is already in the mic. I feel like they are closer to my mic than me. Anyways, it's kind of interesting to see this one perspective of filming. You know, like I'm filming myself riding. Oh, yeah, this camera. Okay, so the camera is not going to be landscape properly. Like it's gonna be like the slant because my holder is either like this or it's gonna be like this. So of course, this is better. So the aim for today is we're gonna be going and trying to find a few locations where I can get a few rolling shots of my bike. So I don't have someone with me, which means I have to set up a tripod and I should mostly have a good looking background. So let's just go to the outer of the city and let's see if we can find a good location. Also, speaking of which, my helmet has a very cool feature, but I can't use it now because the only thing that you guys can see is my eyes. If I do that, then you can see that also. But I'll still show you what it is. My helmet has a cooling glass inside. What? Yeah, man, this is the first helmet shit. This is the very first helmet that I have, which has a cooling glass inside. It's pretty cool actually. But yeah, I'm not. I can't. I don't think I should be keeping this because the only thing that you guys can see is my eyes, and I don't want to cover that up. Yeah, my eyes. Expressions gotta come out, you know. I asked my dad for some good spots where I can take my bike and film myself. He thought for some time and gave me a location a little outside the city. And I decided to go there and film myself. As I reached there, I realized that this road doesn't lead to anywhere else but to a big rock which has a temple on top of it. Okay, guys, so we are approaching Kaggalipura. Let me try going front actually. Oh man, that was so close. What's happening up front? Yeah, okay. Approaching Kaggalipura. And the great person that told me that is my dad. Oh man, there's a big rock, like a rock mountain, whatever. There's a temple on top of it. Anyways, ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಹೌದಾ ಓಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಂ ಆಯ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಂದೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕಂತ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ It had a cool view, but I could not set up my tripod and start filming in front of the temple. And so I cancelled the whole plan and decided to go back home. Before which I thought, why not go down the road to Banarghatta Zoo, which led to me getting to film these cool clips. Keeping in mind the quote, excuses are for the weak. I wanna say the traffic was getting higher, and so I had to stop filming and move on. And at last, I achieved the goal of filming myself and returned from there. On the way, I saw Decathlon and went in for a side quest. That was my very first solo bike ride. And also, I saw a very interesting restaurant. Yeah, that's the one there. God knows what was the reason for them to name it Tiger Arrow Restaurant. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. The last time I came here, last second time I came past by this was still under construction. It's not an actual plane, it's made of cement, I guess, something like that. Looks like a plane. There's an air conditioning setup. It's a whole restaurant inside the airplane. And my cutie pie Pulsar is standing right there. Let's get going. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. And just like that, this video is over. Bye bye.